come here.
Wait, who's that? Another one? Fred and Gladys, come on, bubbies. Wow. That one's high. Fred! Gladys! Babe, there's one right up.
Beach. That's a seagull.
No, there's an eagle up there.
I got this guy.
There she goes. There she is. Gladys! Fred, come on down!
Oh, God, they keep going up and up and up.
Come on!
All right. The other one's here.
I was just told you that.
I told you.
I told you.
No.
They were both here. Stop it right now.
Look at the other one. He's way up there.
Gladys!
Huh?
What the hell was that?
That was a gull. He was like, oh.
Gladys!
Come back, Gladys. Come back. Come see us. Hi. Hello. Wee. They enjoying that cold wind.
Come on, Gladys.
Woo. Oh no, I lost her.
Come on, baby. Come on over.
Oh, she's coming. Oh shit. And the wind takes her. I can't follow her.
Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on.
Woo.
Come on. Come in the tree. Good girl. Come on. Good girl, Gladys. Come on.
Oh, shit. She ain't listening to you.
Come on, Gladys.
All right. She's like, I need some food. Some yummy mergansers. Uh-oh.
Ooh, look at her.
Ooh. Wee.
She's very close to them trees. Come on back, big girl.
Oh, she's hungry.
Come on back, baby. Oh, she's taking the canal.
Oh, shit.
She's doing
Meow.
Come on, Gladys. Come on over, baby. Come on.
She's just playing with you.
Come on, silly girl.
God damn it.
Gladys. Come on, silly girl. Gladys.
Yeah.
Gladys.
You're not doing it right.
Brrr. 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 Brrr, brrr. I don't know, I figured maybe I'd do some shit.
She wants some food. She's hangry.
As soon as I say I'm not gonna pay
Damn it.
attention to her.